Maintenance of the hook lift. To ensure proper operation of the unit, regular maintenance is essential. Every 100 loads or at least once a week, the following actions need to be performed. Clean vehicle and device well. The following should be noted here. Do not use aggressive cleaning materials. Electrical components, plastic components, bearing positions. The labeling is to be avoided from high-pressure cleaning. The water temperature should not exceed 60 degrees centigrade or 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Depending on the amount of dirt, it may be necessary to change the position of the hook lift in between. Sensors must be blown off with compressed air or wiped with a cloth. After cleaning the vehicle, perform a visual inspection. The pneumatic system's tightness can be checked by means of an audible test. The pneumatic pressure should be at least 8 bar. Drain the pressure regulator by lifting the drain valve. Now the hook lift is to be greased. According to the operator manual, universal grease can be used for greasing here. Move the hook lift to the transport position and turn it off. Before greasing, it is essential to clean the grease nipples to prevent dirt from entering the bearing position. The following bearing points must be greased. Tipping frame bearing left and right. The rear rollers left and right. The shaft of the tipping frame subframe locking left and right. The hinge tipping frame locking left and right. The bearing of the tipping cylinders left, right, front and rear. Bearing of the articulating hook arm left, right and on the hydraulic cylinder. For power units, the rotation points of the horizontal jib. To reduce the wear of the hook and the container bar, the contact area of the container locating pin must be greased with a brush in the area of the hook offset. Before applying the Teflon spray, the surface must be clean and dry. The telescope must be lubricated with commercially available Teflon spray or original PALFINGER Teflon grease. These materials can be purchased from any PALFINGER service partner. The telescope must never be lubricated with universal grease. The hydraulic oil level must be checked regularly. This should usually be located in the center of the sight glass. If some hydraulic oil needs to be refilled, always fill up with hydraulic oil of the same type and manufacturer. Information on this is usually provided by a sticker near the oil filler neck or the document Inspection Book, Handover, Maintenance, Service. Next, make a visual inspection of the vehicle. Special attention is to be paid due to possible leakage and the mounting brackets. Finally, perform a functional check of the unit. The proper functioning of the interlock between the tipping and subframe must be checked every 6 months at the latest.